Now whatever was synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum will move to the next organelle, and this next organelle is known as Golgi apparatus. कैसे pronounce करते हैं इसको? Golgi apparatus. Why it is known as Golgi apparatus? क्योंकि it was first of all discovered by a very famous scientist whose name was Camillo Golgi. Now this particular Golgi apparatus plays a very important role inside the cell because it is been helpful for storing the materials inside it. जैसे हम किसी जगह पर किसी चीज़ को मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं और उसके स्टोरेज के लिए गोडाउन होता है, उसी तरह से ये Golgi apparatus जो होता है वो क्या काम कर सकता है? It can store the materials inside it. So in this way it will be doing a very important job of storing the materials. मैंने आपसे पहले भी बात की थी कि एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जो कुछ भी बनाता है, वट एवर इट मेक्स, इट विल हैव द टेंडेंसी टू send the material to some other organelle. So where will it send the material? It will send it to the Golgi apparatus. So first of all, let us try to understand the location of this Golgi apparatus. It is present in the form of membrane bound vesicles arranged in the form of parallel stacks. एक से एक के पास एक ऐसे स्टैक्स के रूप में ये प्रेजेंट होता है, और ये स्टैक्स जो एक दूसरे के पास में जुड़े हुए नजर आते हैं, यू कैन सी इट इन द डायग्राम, एंड दैट इज नोन एज व्हाट? सिस्टर्न्स. You can see this Golgi apparatus which is present in the animal cell and also in case of plant cell. So it will be helpful to show the presence, to carry out a very important function of acting as the very important storage material. Now whatever material is synthesized by ER will be packaged inside the Golgi apparatus. अब हम उसके functions जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि क्या और कोई ऑर्गेनली कुछ फंक्शन करता है या नहीं है, यूं ही प्रेजेंट है सेल में, ये भी हमें मालूम होना चाहिए. तो ये जो पर्टिकुलर गोल्जी apparatus है, इट विल बेसिकली डू द पैकेजिंग ऑफ द मटेरियल इनसाइड द सेल, एंड जब भी whenever the cell requires this particular material for its activities, then Golgi apparatus will dispatch this material out of the cell to carry out the activities. So in this way it will package the material and it will dispatch it to the various target sites wherever it is needed. Apart from that, this Golgi apparatus also plays a very important role to convert the complex sugars into simpler forms. If some sugars are complex in nature inside the cell and they have to be used in the simple forms, the Golgi apparatus will convert the complex sugars into the simpler forms. And at last, what does it do? A very important function is that the formation of next organelle, which will play a very important role inside the cell, will be made by the Golgi apparatus, and it is made in the form of what? Lysosomes. Now these lysosomes are considered to be the very important organelles of the cell, and what role do they play inside the cell? Let us try to understand. Now what are lysosomes? Now lysosomes are the kind of waste disposal system of the cell. हमारी सेल के अंदर जितने भी वेस्ट मटेरियल्स इकट्ठे होते हैं, उन सब को सेल से बाहर निकालना, उसको मार करके ख़त्म कर देना, और उसे बॉडी के अंदर किसी भी वे में गलत या टॉक्सिक सब्सटेंसेस प्रोड्यूस न करने देने का काम कौन करेगा? लाइसोसोम्स. So it is basically digesting any foreign material. It will not allow any kind of bacteria or unwanted material to enter inside the cell. As soon as any unwanted material enter inside the cell, the lysosomes will become very active. It will secrete the powerful digestive enzymes, and by secreting the powerful digestive enzymes, it will kill the foreign material and digest it. डाइजेस्ट करके ये इस फॉरेन मटेरियल को खा जाते हैं, एंड दैट इज द वे बाय विच दे आर नोन एज डाइजेस्टिव बैग्स ऑफ द सेल. So lysosomes are known as the digestive bags of the cell because they do not allow any foreign material to get digested inside our body. The second way, they are also known as suicide bags. So these particular lysosomes, what do? They will kill all the unwanted cells, the cells which are not required or the cells which are not properly functioning inside the what our body. They will all be eaten away by these particular lysosomes, and by eating them away, the lysosomes themselves also will die. In this way, they commit suicide after digesting the unwanted cells, and that is why they are also known as suicide bags. So structurally, they are membrane bound organelles which can be understood in two different forms. Lysosomes can act in the form of either what? Digestive bags, or they can also act in the form of suicide bags. So today we have tried to understand three different organelles of the cell. The first was endoplasmic reticulum, the second was Golgi apparatus, and the third was lysosomes. The other three organelles we will discuss in the coming part of the next session. Thank you.